Hello everyone. Today we shall look into RANKX function. RANKX function takes the parameters table and expression by default and other values like value, order, ties parameters, they are optional. Here it returns the ranking of a number in a list of numbers from each row in the table argument. Okay, if expression or value evaluates to blank, it is treated as 0 for all the expressions that result in a number, or as an empty text for all text expressions. We shall understand how it works. You could skip the optional arguments which are present. If the value is not among all the possible values of expression, RANKX temporarily adds value to the values from expression, and it re-evaluates RANKX to determine proper rank of value. Okay, the equality related comparisons between values with decimal number data type can potentially return unexpected results. This function is not supported for use in direct query mode when it is used in calculated columns or row level security roles. Let us understand by an example. Let us understand about the RANKX function. I'll select the measure table. I'll create a new measure. Here I'll write the rank measure name as rank value equal to RANKX. In the table, suppose that I am taking the sales table, and in the expression I am providing the total sales, which is sum of sales. Value, since we could either provide a single value or else we could skip it. And in the order, I want in descending order, so I'll take descending order. And in the if the values have ties, which means if two particular values have the same values, we could skip the rank. If we want to skip the rank, if we want continuous rank, we could provide dense condition. So I'll write dense and I'll close the parenthesis and hit enter. Let us bring the measure into the table. I'll select add data. I'll bring the rank value. Here you could see that our rank is showing 1 in every row, which is incorrect. So in order to correct that, what we have to do is, instead of providing the table name directly, we have to provide all, and I have used the sales country in the filter context. So I have to remove the filters which are being acted on the country column. So I'll write all sales country column which is acting in the filter context. So here you could see that our rank is now properly ranked from 1 to 24 based upon the descending values, and here we could see the Colombia is the top sales country. Okay, suppose that I want only the countries sales only for the top 5 countries. Okay, in such condition we could utilize variables and let us bring the necessary condition based upon the requirement. So if at all I want only top 5 countries sales, so what I could do is, using ranking, I would create this variable. Suppose that I'm inserting some variable called my rank equal to, here I'll return an if condition. I'll write if my rank is less than or equal to 5, then provide total sales, otherwise provide me blank. Okay, this is a simple if condition where I have returned in return clause, and I have taken the RANKX function in a my rank variable. Okay, I'll just commit, and let us notice the difference how rank value would be appearing. Here it will show the top 5 sales which has been made for the top 5 countries. Here you could see that as per the given if condition, we have got the necessary output. So this is all about the RANKX function. Please practice, and there might be few more logical use cases where you could utilize RANKX and get the necessary output. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.